Right, good morning. As you can see, a few days went by just doing other stuff, but I'll show you what happened as from the last video you've watched. and to be honest, also I made a video, but then I deleted it without wanting to, and could never find it again. So I'm redoing this. That was done, I think, Thursday or something. Anyway, it's Monday. You remember what I showed you before, right? These are skewed, right? So I had to cut them, yeah, bend them, weld them back together. So I had straight ends to them into the jib, right? The back was slightly more complicated, actually. I had to do this, yeah, because there was my hole for the bolt on the frame of the body, and but I had this in the way, so I had to produce these two weird zigzag frame holders, and that's it. Now we have it on the side, which is really interesting because I could see I spent Thursday and Friday just rubbing down all that's now bare metal, right, with a brush. This has been dabbed on with that paint remover, which I now have to get onto scraping off. But what's interesting is there's actually no heavy rust on this body, which is really good. We'll have to fix that. All those holes are like bullet holes, but they're just one hole, one or a couple of holes for the water to exit should be fine. Now the primers, the American primers that they used in the 40s were absolutely excellent. So it's taken us a week to strip it down, and we're still at it, putting chemicals on it, stuff like this, which
Tuesday morning, we're here from 6 o'clock. Stay with us. Coming up after the news at 10, John Pye is here with Dave time until 3 this afternoon. Time checks with Hogarth the Jewelers.
And of course I have to work with doors open and a mask and stuff because it's poisonous. It's really, really tough stuff. So anyhow, that's it. That's what I'm doing. The wings are there, and I think I'd show you. Oh, I did in the other video, but then I deleted. The bonnet's finished, and I sprayed it in this primer that comes for these Jeeps, which is this like oxide primer, yeah. So that was like that, and now it looks like the new bits that we're getting, right? I finished rubbing it off and taking it back to bare metal, and that's what we want to do with this and that. That's been sandblasted with that. Anyway, see you in a few days when I finish that damn thing.